If you're worried about germs on your phone, you can clean it effectively with simple soap and water. Hi, I'm Dr. Lena Sirik. I'm a microbiologist at University College London, and I'm going to show you how to clean your phone. Unplug your phone, turn it off, and remove the case. All the major phone makers warn against using chemicals, hand gels, and abrasive wipes on your device, as this can damage the screen's protective coating. Dampen a microfiber cloth with water and simple household soap. Gently rub the surfaces of the phone with the damp cloth. Take care not to get moisture in any of the openings, because even water-resistant phones lose their protection over time. Finally, dry your phone with a clean microfiber cloth. Even just using soap and water can effectively remove bacteria and viruses from your phone, and we can test that by using this little device and these swabs. The device gives a reading of relative light units, or RLUs, and that's a measure of the microbial activity on your phone. So the higher the number, the more germs are present. We tested all of these phones and their cases before and after cleaning with soapy water, and they were all significantly cleaner afterwards. On a surgical surface, we'd want to get a figure of 50 or less, and all of our phones and cases had readings lower than that. If you have an iPhone, Apple says you can safely clean it with 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes. These are the ones that you can get from computer shops or online. There are also devices that you can use to sterilize your phone using ultraviolet UVC radiation. These shouldn't harm your device, but some phones or cases could be discolored over time. Just remember, with all of these methods, as soon as you touch your phone, you're going to get germs back onto it. So make sure that you keep washing your hands regularly and thoroughly.